Hi guys, it's Simran here, and today I will be showing you some natural ways or home remedies how you can take your makeup off without affecting your skin. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. There are a few different ways or natural remedies how you can get rid of makeup without using a micellar. Some people are very allergic to the product that have been used in micellar. So rather than using any product or any branded products, it's better that we go in for home remedies, products that are in your kitchen that you can use to get rid of your makeup. I'll be showing you 5 different natural remedies to get rid of your makeup. The first one is coconut oil, which is very easy, and the benefit of using coconut oil as a makeup remover is that it won't affect your pores and it is a natural moisturizer. It will remove your dead skin cells as well as it will moisturize your skin without affecting it in a bad way. The second and one of the most effective makeup remover is aloe vera. So all you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice and 1 tablespoon of oatmeal flour. Mix it together and apply it on your face, rub it off so that your makeup also comes off with that. Aloe vera is also very useful to treat dry skin. So anybody who is with dry skin should go in for aloe vera, which is one of the best remedies. So the third natural remedy that I will recommend for dull skin people is cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is a very natural ingredient that you can use to brighten your skin, and also it is very effective for oily skin people. So anybody who has oily skin and does not want to use micellar can use cucumber juice. All you have to do is 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix them together and use it as a makeup remover. It won't damage your skin and it will brighten your skin as well. The fourth natural remedy to get rid of your makeup is almond oil. Almond oil is known to treat dark spots and people with wrinkles. It is very effective for people who have dry skin. So one of the best remedies if you don't want to use micellar is almond oil. One of the most effective and one of the most positive outcome product is rose water. Rose water is tend to deep cleanse your pores. So whenever you have open pores or you have clogging in your pores because of the makeup that you are using, the best product is rose water. Rose water can be used as a cleanser and a toner at the same time. Because of the multiple uses of rose water, it is one of the very effective natural products for your skin. It firms your skin and it gives a natural glow. Today I will be demonstrating 2 makeup remover techniques, natural makeup removal techniques. Half of my face I will be using coconut oil and half of my face I'll be using a mixture of rose water and vitamin E oil. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So the first makeup remover that we have here is coconut oil. You can use any coconut oil, natural coconut oil or parachute coconut oil. I'm using parachute coconut oil. All you have to do is take a few drops of coconut oil on your hand, rub it together and just rub in circular motions. Take a wet wipe and just wipe off. The makeup comes off. So I've done only half of my face because the rest half of my face I'll be using rose water and vitamin E oil. So as you can see, the coconut oil has proved to be very effective. Half of my face has no makeup and I know I look very funny. So without wasting any time, let's go to our second face removal. So I'll be using rose water and I'll be using vitamin E capsules. So all we have to do now is Take 2 tablespoons of rose water and 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix it together. You can use this water to remove half side of your makeup. You can use cotton swabs if you like, or you can directly use your hand. Use a wet wipe to wipe off your makeup. So both these remedies can be used by any skin type people. It's very effective for your skin. It does not have any side effects, and we are using natural ingredients which will also prove to be very essential for your skin. So I hope that these simple natural makeup removal hacks are effective for you and you can use it in your future. And I hope that you like this video. So please share and subscribe to our channel Foxy Makeup, and you can follow me on Instagram Makeover by Simran. Thank you.